What's up, guys? It's your boy XKingGene back here with another XKingGene. And today we are going to be watching one of my videos that I just made in 18 hours ago. It's this.
What's up, guys? It's your boy XKingGene. Today I'm about to be doing the floss.
Yeah, I'm
Let's get over here.
That was not coming the way. Oh, no, what? How did you shoot?
Imagine you just downloaded TikTok.
Yeah, I just downloaded TikTok. I got one. Really? Really? Huh? Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory? So these are all the 50 plats.
YouTube didn't send me a 50 mil subscriber play button. I guess they did. But a YouTuber named Daniel Craft did. He made this custom 50 mil subscriber play button. And it is insane. This thing weighs like 50 pounds. This is more than 50 pounds. This is like 100 pounds. This thing is so heavy. And I just wanted to make this video and give him a quick shout out. He'll be linked in the description. Thank you so much for this thing. It's incredibly beautiful. YouTube didn't send...
First of all, I have string legs. I don't know.
YouTube has officially canceled the 50 million subscriber play button. And this is very sad because there are 21 YouTube channels.
What?
YouTube is not giving out that 50 million sub play button anymore, which is unfortunate because it was cool. It was like this custom thing. And your boys, Dude Perfect, hit 50 million subs. So one fan, known as Daniel Craft, actually designed this 50 million sub play button. And oh my god, it's beautiful. Now, this isn't actually like real. He used the program to design this, but Dude Perfect responded on the video saying, so we're definitely gonna need that. Yeah, guys, I mean, this thing is so beautiful. I hope somehow, some way, this actually gets made. YouTube is not...
Oh, let's see. I want to see, this.
These are all the play buttons YouTube has sent me.
The play buttons.
Obviously, these are the 100,000 subscriber plaque. These are all the million subscriber play buttons. This is the diamond play button for the gaming channel. This is the one for the main channel. And thank you so much, everybody, for this. Oh, where's the one for the shorts channel? Subscribe. Oh, wait. We don't have 10 million yet. These are... The first 50 million play button was given to PewDiePie in December 2016. In June 2018, India Music Channel T-Series received their 50 million play button, which although was made of clear glass rather than ruby, it still followed a similar theme to PewDiePie's. A year later, in June 2019, Brazilian music channel Canal Conzilla received their 50 million play button, which in my opinion looks more like a hat than a play button. All of these YouTube channels have surpassed 50 million subscribers, but for some reason, YouTube never sent them a 50 million play button, which is quite strange because in August 2021, they gave YouTube channel Pinkfong, the creators of Baby Shark, a 50 million play button. Then there's also this thing that YouTube gave to Blackpink, which although they surpassed 50 million subscribers around the same time, apparently it's not a 50 million play button. And to get even weirder, in September 21, they gave America's Got Talent a 20 million play button. What? It seems kind of weird to me that a bunch of YouTubers...
A 20 million play buttons. I'm sorry about that. I just had a fever. 7 subscriber thank yous. That's him. You only have 7 subscribers. I only have 5, so he got more than me. Why? Oh, I just watched it. Every single time I watch my videos, it gets views. I just have a fever. My mom has more subscribers than me. Corey couldn't upload a video since a long time. Well, I don't know what he got 5 billion views on YouTube. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, wait, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, that was a burp. I have to end this video right now. Peace.